Hey everybody, thanks for joining us again with a new Cricut Design Space tutorial from your Cricut coach Rebecca from Hops and Hospitality. Today I just wanted to share some Cricut Design Space features that you may not realize you have the capability to utilize. So I have a monogram here that I've put together on screen, and you can go to our tutorials to see exactly how I went ahead and did that. But I wanted to show you that there is a way to change the grid line background. This can be used in many ways. For instance, if you want to take a screenshot and show a mock-up to a customer or a friend or family member, if you want to be able to copy a design without having the grids in the background, if you want to do a mock-up for a product that you'll be putting on a marketplace, for all of those things, you do not want the grid line in the background. And there are two ways to change this grid view. The first is to go to this 3-line hamburger menu, drop down, scroll down to Settings, and then find Canvas Grid. Right now, you're defaulted on the full grid, but you can change it to a partial grid. And I'll show you that look there. You can see the inches without all of the small mechanics in between, and you can go to no grid, which of course gives us a clean white background screen. Now if you wanted to take a screenshot of your image so that it can be used later on, you can have a nice clean image. But if you want a second and faster way to do this, you can move your cursor right up to this square that connects the X and Y axis, or the one that's connecting the two zeros in the horizontal and vertical rulers, and there is nothing in this box, but if you click it, it will actually give you your grid back. Click it again, your partial grid. Click it a third time, you're back to your blank white grid. And that is a quick tip for Cricut Design Space today. If you like this tip and you want to see more, please subscribe and make sure to check out our website where we have free printable resource guides and cheat sheets to help you remember all of these tips and tricks. www.hopsandhospitality.com/Cricut Design Space. See you soon. Bye.